Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily create debit note in Zoho Books. So the straightforward explanation for this is that the debit note setting or feature has been removed in Zoho Books. So the only way for you to create a debit note is through creating a credit note. And to do that, all you have to is head over to books.zoho.com and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, click on Sales, then click on Credit Notes. So this is where you can create, or the only way where you can create debit notes. You can start by clicking on Create New Credit Note. So from here, just fill in all the necessary information. Then once done, just head over and click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!